Have people saying, look out everywhere he freaking goes. I'm fucking sick of it, dude. Even this kid here, he's looking like he's freaking amazed. Like, who is this guy that brings a drone to the track and thinks he freaking runs everything? I mean, darn. Yeah, dude. They did it to warn us. Dude, move your car, man. Is that your car over there? No, I'm sorry, man. That's not your car. Oh, it is. Yeah, move your fucking car. Hey, look out, brings his freaking car. He thinks he's all that because he got some fucking stupid-ass supercharger on it. Hey, man, move your car so another content creator can come get your... Yeah? Yeah, dude. Move your freaking car. I'm not gonna keep fucking telling you, dude. Every time I freaking see Lookout, he has his freaking car parked like he's in freaking VIP. I'm pretty sick of it, dude. Fuck no, man. He doesn't... Oh, you didn't hear about this track before Lookout? Wow. Oh, yeah. You like it so far, though? It's freaking pretty cool. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah. Let me see. Where is that video at? Oh, here it go right here. Boop. I'm going to re-premiere it, y'all. Just because I know they didn't want to see it anyway. I'm going to just re-premiere it. It's going to be re-premiered. So they're going to be like, man, I thought I blocked that video. Ah, buddy. You didn't have that much power. Yeah, dude. You freaking tried to delete my video, but they didn't. They're not on your team, buddy. Hold up, y'all. I'm trying to get the part that y'all like. The part they didn't want on there, I'm going straight to that part. Ooh-wee. Let me see. I need another beat. I really didn't like that beat that much. It was jamming, but it wasn't that jamming. You hear me? Let me see. Boom. Oh, yeah, that'll work. Where it go, though? Hey, y'all, I'm glad y'all on here, too, by the way, man. Ooh, I like that beat, too. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Now, back to the, let me get to this. I'll be going so fast, y'all. I'll be moving, boy. Yeah. Ooh, trying to see where it's at. Pulling up, better stack. Man, I don't know how to act. Hell yeah, I know they snitching. Ooh, we stop snitching. Man, it ain't good for you. Man, you better stop snitching. Hey, filling out paperwork. Hey, trying to get copyright. Other hurt. Hey. Hey. Oh, y'all, here it go right here. Hey, where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Damn. Must be way out there. Hold on. Hey, yeah. Had a little bit buffer. Coming through, I'm getting tougher. Yeah, I know you. Oh, this one that lady was smoking. I mean, not lady smoking. Stone Vet, there go your girl. Hey, girl. Okay. Well, I got so many damn tabs open, I can't keep up. Let me see. Is that Disney music? Yeah, man. Let me see. I can't watch this. Makes me so mad again. Be chill, chat. Okay, bam. Okay. Hey, Jackie says she watch my stream all the time. I'm pulling up with new rhymes. Okay, here we go. This is your buddy. Yeah. Hey, stop filming, posting all the bullshit. We want you to stop filming all the fights. Let me see, man. I should have came up with a song with his ass. Hey, stop filming all them fights and the fucking rigs. Cause we don't want to see that shit on the bed. Hell yeah, they want to see the motherfucking rig. They don't want to see all the real life being. They don't want to see no fight. They don't no fucking smoking. They don't want to see no laughing. They don't want no joking. They want it straight Disney for your kids to see. Cause this the place that they want to be. Hey, nah, they can't come over here. 2 minutes smoking weed and drinking beer. Better ask Bill for a shout out. He ain't gonna give you one cause he about straight family guys. Man, I hope this mic, cause y'all can hear that. If y'all can hear how I sound about here, I feel good. It sound good. We don't want you to film whatever you want, dude. We want to have some type of hold on your freaking channel, man. I know that you started it by yourself, and we really didn't have anything to do with it. We didn't help you get anywhere that you are now, but we want to go ahead and regulate your channel anyway and tell you what you can and can't put on it. Yeah. Because there's some things that you do that we like, and there's some that we don't. So, if you please could, like just put the things that we like, and maybe we get you a shout out or something. Would you like a shout out? Oh yeah, just do the things we like, dude. We're fucking gonna get you up there. I'll shout you out every time you do what I want. Yeah, do exactly what I want you to do. You're gonna make sure you get money in your pocket, dude. Yeah. We're gonna get you plenty of money, buddy. So yeah. 2VJ, we back on this, man. 2VJ, he don't know. Hey, 2VJ, man, I got good news for you. Get what, 2V? 2V like, oh Lord, we're back on this a freaking again. Oh yeah, I got a shout out Sunday. We had Mop Man in the building. Shout out to the Mop Man. Keeping that track mopped up like a motherfucker, man. Keeping that track mopped up like a motherfucker. Hey, keeping that track mopped. Man, he don't stop. Ooh, he keeps. Hey. Mop with it. Hurry up and go mop with it. Hell no, don't stop with it. Clean up the all. Oh yeah, I heard they got a new mop up there, y'all. Oh, we got a new mop. This here is gonna pick up extra dirt and oil. Oh yeah, dude, this freaking mop here costs $17 here at Walmart. This thing is freaking awesome, man.